video, already been to the dealership. Apparently the oil pressure sensor is kaput, done for, as you can tell. Got plenty of oil in the engine. That's the first thing to check if this happens to you, is make sure you got oil. If you do, it's probably the oil pressure sensor, just like this one. This is on a brand new 2021 Ram 1500, 1,300 kilometers. So it's awesome to be going to the dealership to get this fixed this early. But shit happens. So if it happens to you, it's not a big deal. Just make sure you got oil and get it checked, scanned, and